Yo, what's up, man? It's DJROBEROB. We on deck. This is 50.com, BOOBOOTV. We on deck at the Bikini car wash, man. Check this shit out. It's crazy.
Hi, how you doing? We're getting our wash done. We're gonna take care of that car right over there if you want to film it.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, this is 50.com. This is your girl, Raven and Anita, here at the Flashnycmodels first annual barbecue car wash here in the Bronx. Shout out to this is 50.com.
Did you guys enjoy the wash?
Nice. Yeah, love it.
What's up?
This is 50.com.
This is 50.com.
Pocket full of money, club don't jump till I walk inside the doorway. Bottles of that rosé, smelling like Dolce and Gabbana. Shout to you the baddest, and to meet you is an honor. La mama, I got a table waiting. What you think about a convo? And if you like it, baby, we can take it to the condo. And if you like a condo, we can move the party to the bedroom. I'ma beat your body like a Congo. Since we in the club, I got a million ways to get it. Might as well get another round. Choose one. Notice there ain't nothing we cut.
Bring it back.
So be here, baby.
Double your money and make it stack.
It's your birthday, over I know you're thirsty. We don't buy no drinks at the bar. We pop champagne cause we got that dough. Let me hear you say ah. If you want me, say ah.
What's going on? This is Chrissy in the building, Flashnycmodels NYC. We out here at the OMG Bikini car wash, and we out here having a ball, and you're missing it. But anyway, check us out at flashnycmodels.com and be updated on our next events, and you better be there.